using eTextbooks on the R2 platform. When you are looking for your eTextbooks, make your way to the Robert Muntz Library homepage. You can access that either by going to www.uttyler.edu/library, or you can access our library webpage through your Canvas course under Library Resources. When you are on our homepage, scroll down to the second section titled Swoop Search, and you will see Library Textbooks. When you click on that, it will book page. This page is organized alphabetically by your course, and if you scroll down, I'm going to show you the nursing guide today. It will take you to another page, which is your e-textbook for your courses. Those are organized by your 4-digit course code, so find your course that you need when you are looking to see if we have a textbook or you know that we do and you need to access it. On our eTextbooks guides, we have many different platforms. I'm talking about the R2 platform, and it has some very specific copyright rules. We only have one user per textbook on most of the R2 textbooks, but there are ways you can access them offline, and I'm going to talk to you about that today. When you are on or in a textbook, when you log in, it will usually take you to the first page in the book, which has the table of contents. You can go to the section you need, if whatever's been assigned, and you can click on it and see the various areas that are within that. It is also has the ability for you to search by a topic if you are looking for a specific topic in your textbook. One of the things that some of you might encounter is you may notice that you get a little warning when you go to log into your textbook that says this content is currently unavailable because all of the licenses are in use. Please try again shortly. If you do get that, do not panic, just come back a little bit later. But in order to keep that from happening, what we suggest is that you go ahead and instead of reading your textbook online, you print the area that you need. I'm going to select this section. I'm going to go to a little bit of a different page, something a little bit longer, just so I can demonstrate it. Instead of, this is the section I need to read. Instead of reading it online, I'm going to go ahead and print the page is an option that you can do. You can print the sections you need to a PDF and save them to your computer to read at your convenience. You can also print them directly to your printer. The other thing you can do from the tool section is email the pages that you need to yourself. And this will also allow you to read later the area of the textbook you need. There is a little bit of a caveat to this, and that is that you can only print out of any of the textbooks for R2, 60 pages or 20% of the book in any 24-hour period. As a user, if you are exceeding that limit in the textbook, it will give you a warning. It will tell you that you are about to exceed your textbook. So you can come back 24 hours later. Additionally, you can save your reference, you can export citations. Also remember, I said you can print or save by topics. I clicked behaviorisms, and notice this is all the areas that behaviorism is. I can click through just that area of the textbook by topics. I just did want to show you that. There are a couple of different ways that you can access this textbook. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, please contact us at the library. You can email us at library@uttyler.edu, or you can call us at the number listed below. Have a great day.